Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's trading action. Equities were mixed and muted on Wednesday. The S&P 500 bounced back and forth across the unchanged line all day and finished slightly higher. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, gained 0.6%. The Dow, however, closed 0.2% lower, while the Russell shed almost 1%. Most sectors in the S&P 500 closed lower, with healthcare the worst performer, down more than 2%. Communication services rallied 1.5%, tech added 1%, and consumer discretionary also gained 0.33%. AI dominated much of today's trading action. Stocks like Nvidia, AMD, and Supermicro continue to reap the benefit of new investment agreements with Saudi Arabia. Nvidia and AMD both rallied more than 4% today. Both companies also got price target hikes from B of A and reiterated buy ratings on the back of those deals. The firm sees sovereign AI addressing limited power availability for data centers in the U.S. and says that would offset restrictions on U.S. companies shipping to China. Meanwhile, Supermicro closed as the S&P 500's top performer. The AI server maker announced a multi-year partnership and $20 billion deal with DataVolt, a Saudi Arabian data center company. Supermicro said it will accelerate GPU deliveries for DataVolt's hyperscaler campuses. Today's gains add to the tech company's 41% rally so far this week. Turning to the electrical end of AI, Oklo surged more than 15% today after earnings. Its loss of 7 cents was narrower than the 10-cent per share loss expected and showed an improvement from a 34-cent per share loss in the year-ago period. Oklo announced a late 2027 to early 2028 target for plant operations, adding that it's nearing submission of its fuel foundry to the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. Oklo is up more than 70% so far in 2025. And Coreweave shares are volatile after reporting its first earnings since the AI server company's IPO back in March. Coreweave posted a loss of $1.49, but $982 million in revenue beat Wall Street's $860 million estimates. Coreweave CEO said demand for our platform is robust and accelerating as AI leaders seek the highly performant AI cloud infrastructure. Taking a look at what's on tap for tomorrow, Walmart reports earnings before the opening bell. We'll also get quarterly results from Alibaba, Applied Materials, Deere, and Kava tomorrow. On the economic data front, watch out for PPI, jobless claims, and retail sales. Fed Chair Jerome Powell will also speak on the economy before the open. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.